Hey friend, I'm Jamie at FromHisPresence.com. Hey, I'm so glad you're tuning in today to watch this short video. Behind me you see a very quiet lake. It's beautiful, it's calm, it's peaceful. And I want to talk to you about the fact that sometimes Jesus leads you beside still waters. What does that mean? It means sometimes you get put on the shelf where nothing seems to happen for you. You're supposed to be resting, and sometimes it's easy to want to drive and strive and get more done and ignore that urge to rest. But you know what? Jesus leads us beside still waters. There's nothing happening beside still waters. It can be a boring place if you want it to be. But the whole point is that you're supposed to let yourself soak in quietness and in the presence of the Lord. And if you're willing to do that, no matter what your still waters look like, the Lord will heal your soul. He'll restore your soul, and He'll lead you on to that place where you sit down at the banqueting table that He has laid out for you, even in the presence of your enemies. So I want to ask you today, will you rest? Will you accept that journey beside still waters, where it looks like nothing's happening, but actually God's healing your soul? Let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you later at FromHisPresence.com.